Hi friends, today start the 4th day class, 12th computer science, first unit. So first unit already 3 topic over, now start the 4th topic, interface was implementation. So how to use this interface, how to implementation, step by step uh, evaluations. So for example, switch on the light, how to connect, how to flush the light. This all using the whoops program. This all coding use and whoops program. How to execute this. Yeah. Suppose not watch my earlier topic. Please subscribe my channel. Share your friends. It's a very useful for students this lesson. Now lockdown period, no book. So subscribe my channel, watch the lessons. Come on children. So interface is a set of action that an object can do. For example, when you press the light switch, the light goes on. You may not have the thought how it's the flash the light. The object-oriented program, the interface, the description of all functions that a class must have in order to be a new. The interface is our example. Anything acts like light should be the two categories of functions using here. So turn on, turn off. Suppose if we can using the turn on function that the options go under execution. Then we can press the turn off function. So where processor will go and refer to the off function. So the two categories is there. As like light should have the functions definitions like turn on and the turn off. The purpose of the interface is to allow the computer enforce the properties of the class type T. So whatever the interface is must have a functions called the XYZ. The three category classification. And the class declarations combines the external interface with on the implementation of the interface. The instance created from the class. The interface defines the object visibility outside. The two types is there, interface and implementation. Two categories. What the difference? The interface just defines what an object can be, but won't actually do it. Implementation carries out the instruction, define the interface. So totally two. This also different. This also different. Okay. The object-oriented program classes are interface and how the object is processed. Execute the implementation. The program classes are the interface, how to create the object, that the object how to execute using to implementation. Okay, classification of interface. The class template specify the interface to enable an object to be created and operated properly. The object attributes behavior is controlled by the sending function to the object. So discuss here. Yeah, English as get speed, requires speed, return. If we condition true, fulfill. If we condition false, automatically this return it. Yeah, this is the simple execution process. The person who drive the car does not care about the internal working. They increase the speed of the car, he just process aggregators to get the desired behaviors. Here the aggregate is the get the desired behaviors. Accelerators to get the desired behaviors. Here the accelerator is the interface between the driver, the calling, evoking the object, and in the engine the calling object. So understood clearly this two as a simple example. So driver push or press this the accelerators. Your moving is fast. So slow, we can adjusting, we can, if we want the data we can choose it, if we not want the data is not choose. In case the function will call and the speed, the interface, the, that is go and call the object, that is processing call the interface, understood? If you want the speed, the driver press the accelerators. So if you want the automatic driver press the accelerator, that processing execute the fast, that is called the interface. Driver press means object, okay. Internally the engine of the car doing all the things, it is where fuel, air, pressures and electricity comes together to create the power to move the vehicle. All of these actions are separated for the driver, who just want to the faster, where this we separate interface from implementation. Let us see simple example. Consider the following the implementation of the function. Find the minimum of these three arguments. So three argument explain this lesson. So whatever three argument using, three let mean 3 xy z colon equal to, if s less than y, if s less than z, three categories is there. If first condition is true, come to the second condition. So the three interlink is here. Suppose it's conditions, both conditions false, automatic go to the third statement, okay. Few function. So three different categories function is there. Pure functions, impure function. Then modify the variable outside the function. Set a fate. The few topic one is that this lesson is over. Yeah, next video this lesson is over. So all of you understood this concept, interface and implementation. Subscribe my channel, share your friends, very useful for studying children, okay. Thank you. If any suggestion, comment, put it comment section. Thank you friends.